You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have something pretty damn awesome to show you. It's a Deadpool Pichachu. I bought this one from our friends from China and just wanted to check out some other stuff for the channel. I really love this Pichachu Deadpool thing, and I can already tell you these little figures are very cute, funny, and they are freaking cheap. So let's do a little unboxing together. Let's see what we're going to get, and unboxing time. Alright, let's cut it open and unbox it together. Alright, let's see what we're going to get. Alright. No! I said the packaging itself. Right. And this is what we're going to get, people. Does it stand with 2 pins or something like that, or is it just staying on the... Oh, no magnets. No, it's just standing on the little base, I'm guessing. And I must say, let's do a little bit of an overview, but wow, this thing is, it's fully made of plastic, and no chemical plastic. Actually, it smells pretty damn nice. So let's do a little bit of an overview, and yeah, let's see what we're going to get, people. So if you look at the Pokeball here at this belt, it's a little bit, let's say the pin job is not the best. I try to zoom in, but my camera is not taking this recording very well because it's so tiny. But I think you can see it on the camera. But overall, if you know what the price was of this thing, it is a pretty damn good deal. It looks amazing. The paint job, of course, if you're having this camera and you're taking a very close look, you can see some little paint mistakes, but then overall it's not bad at all. So the details on this thing is pretty damn cool, and I think for the Deadpool / Pichachu fan, this can be a very funny thing to have. So, alright. So for the final conclusion about this little Pichachu Deadpool figure, there are a couple of versions. I can't see that anymore, but there is a number here on the box. You can see the number 2, so there are different versions. But in overall, this is very nice. I really like it. The quality is good. It feels quite heavy. No chemical plastic, and for the this is what we're going to get. Maybe you already own one of these. Let me know. What do you think of this? Leave it in the comments. Like this video if you want. If you like this video, of course, you need to like it. Yes, people. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and check out the gaming channel. See you next time.